In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make navigation transparent in Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to fade your site's navigation so your hero image or background content shines through, giving your design that modern, lightweight feel. First, start by selecting the navigation bar in your canvas. Click directly on the navigation area at the top of your page. You should see the usual selection, highlight appear, confirming you've grabbed the correct element. If your navigation is part of a component or a stack, make sure you're clicking the top level navigation layer rather than a logo or a single link inside it. You can also confirm your selection in the left-hand layers panel if that's easier. The key here is that the entire navigation container is selected because that's what we're going to adjust. With the navigation selected, look to the right-hand side of the interface where the properties panel lives. Find the opacity control. This is typically shown as a percentage with a horizontal slider. Opacity determines how transparent the selected element is, from fully opaque at 100% to fully transparent at percent. It applies to the whole layer, so keep in mind that reducing opacity will affect the navigation's background and anything inside it, including your logo and links. That's totally fine if you're going for an airy blended look, but it's good to be aware of how it impacts readability. Now, adjust the opacity slider to the left to make the navigation transparent. As you drag, watch the canvas update in real time. You'll see your page content begin to show through behind the navigation. If you only want a subtle fade, try easing it down slightly from 100%, for example, into the 70-90% range to soften the bar without sacrificing legibility. For a more dramatic effect, keep sliding further left. At 0%, the navigation becomes fully transparent and essentially appears as a background, letting your hero visuals take center stage. You can also click the percentage and type an exact value if you want a precise setting. Take a moment to evaluate the result against your background. Make sure your text links remain readable and that the contrast still works across different sections of the page. If your navigation sits over busy imagery, a higher opacity or a subtle design tweak elsewhere may help maintain clarity. That's it. Select the navigation, find opacity, and slide left to dial in the perfect level of transparency. Save your changes, and you're ready to show off a cleaner, more polished header.